our Wednesday tutorial, I'm going to have you guys go outside and get some sunshine. The first thing you'll need to do is go out and collect some plants. You can get leaves, some flower petals if you have some blooming in your yard. Maybe even go for a walk around the neighborhood or a park and find some things, because we're going to be creating flower and plant mandalas.
Mandala comes from the Sanskrit word for circle, and it's a geometric drawing where patterns are repeated in circular rings. They are from both Chinese and Indian cultures. For your mandalas, all you will need is to find some natural objects from outside. Additional supplies, if you would like to make a print, are 2 pieces of paper or fabric and a hammer or mallet. When you go outside, you want to look for things that are natural, like flowers, leaves, grasses, rocks, or sticks. To begin my mandala, I like to draw a straight line down and then one across to find the center of where my mandala will be and to help make it symmetrical as I do my patterns going around. You always want to start with the center of your mandala and work your way out. I find it easiest to start with the smallest pieces I have first and gradually use larger pieces the further I go out. The guidelines that you have will help you to find the placement of where your objects will go. And remember, your mandalas don't need to be made on paper. They can be made outdoors as well. You can now make a print of your mandala if you like. Remember, this will only work for leaves and flowers and stems. You will place a piece of paper over the top of your mandala and secure it with tape. Then go around feeling where the plants are below the paper and hammer. Continue hammering until you see some of the color of the plants seeping through the paper. Once you feel that's done, you can peel off the tape to reveal the print that you've made. Now you can gently peel off the remaining plants and you'll see that the color from them has been transferred to your paper. This can also be done on fabric too. I'll have a couple examples right after this. I like to use my flower prints to make cards for people. You can outline them with marker and then add any extra detail that you like.
Well, I hope you guys go have some fun outside collecting your plants, and if you want, you could even do your mandala outside. That way everyone can see. Spread it out on the sidewalk or maybe in your yard somewhere. Or if you wanted to try doing the hammering to make your mandala print, just make sure you're being careful because these don't feel very good on your fingers. And I can't wait to see more of your clay sculptures that you're making from the salt dough. Hopefully there's some really creative things entered into the art challenge. The couple that have come in so far are super cool. Really proud of you guys. All right, well, I'll see you guys next week.